Welcome to Stardust. Cleaning her off. She's in bad shape right now. Just coming out of winter here, but at the marina. Got her opened up and airing out. Checking the sails and the mast. Everything. Getting ready. Hopefully my little girl will be and wife will be out here soon. But right now it's just me cleaning her up. So about to get it started. Oh shit. Just running across everything. But yeah, man. Oh shit, my foot is stuck. Just excited about the boat, guys. That's so weird. Just mounting up the camera. Yeah. Let's get this party started. Just cleaning her out.